Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and in this very short video, I'm going to show you how to use your own images, your own image assets in your 7 Taps micro learning courses. Folks have asked us, or asked me directly actually, with respect to the videos that I've recorded on 7 Taps, as well as some of the courses that we've created for our Mindful Marketplace community, how we're actually getting our own custom images into our courses, and it's really, really simple. So all you're going to do is let's just dive into a course so you can see, and here's a image card here, right? So you have these list items and an image, which is a GIF image, and you're just going to go to the change image icon at the bottom or tab at the bottom. Now, this is where most folks are actually pulling their images from, the Jiffy image repository. But to the right of that, you'll see a little button that says image. You do have to be on the premium, on a paid plan to actually do this, but it's well worth it for brands and folks who are teaching lots and lots of courses like we aspire to do. So go to image here, and all you're going to do is click this upload image button, and you're going to see it's going to give me access to my um, any folder on my local drive where I can pull up an image. All right, so let's do this one here. The slowness that you're seeing is my MacBook. It's certainly not 7 Taps. All right, the other nice thing is that you have all these images now saved, right? So all these image assets are actually retained within your 7 Taps course back end, so you can just upload a shit ton of images if you want and just keep on reusing them, which is really a nice feature that most online LMS platforms don't have, even some ones that I really, really like. One of the frustrating aspects is you have to keep on uploading images rather than accessing them from the repository of images that you've already uploaded. So let's quickly just upload that. And you can see for this particular card, this is maybe too big because there's a lot of content here. So what I would do, let's say, is I would get rid of that, and now it fits, and I would just have a shorter amount of information on this particular card. Now, the other thing you can do is you can add full screen images, which are great. So if you go to images and I select again from some of my previously saved assets, let's say I wanted to pick this, and now that is a image that I created. We'll make it full screen, and it looks great. So let's preview this. You can see what it looks like in an actual card set or a mini course, micro course. And there's that image that we just created. I like using these because they also have the arrow icon, so it really helps, I think, give a visual cue to our learners to continue to click. Okay, teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. If you sign up for 7 Taps using our Mindful Marketplace affiliate link, do send me an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'll send you some extra content that will help you build your business and brand using micro-learning content. Okie doke, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.